for a wild ride through epic car crashes and crucial driving lessons. From luxury cars to chaotic wrecks,
No meeting,
we're
no
diving
compilation,
into the
worth a life.
world
Slow.
of auto luxury and safety. Hit subscribe for more road-saving tips. A top car luxury speeds through the streets of LA, dodging traffic with reckless flair, but one wrong move could lead to a devastating car crash. A high-speed chase ends in a car crash as a luxury car slams into trees, leaving spectators stunned. A reckless driver ignores warnings, racing past safety barriers and risking a catastrophic car crash. Subscribe to catch more lessons on avoiding these disasters. A semi-trailer causes a massive car crash on Interstate 44, smashing into an attendance station. Slow down in work zones. Lives depend on it.
This happened when a train smashed into a cement mixer flying rail crossing.
A train plows into a cement mixer at a rail crossing, triggering a car crash that could have been avoided with better caution.
No meeting, no appointment is worth a life. Slow.
No meeting or deadline is worth risking a car crash. Slow down and prioritize safety every time. A BMW luxury line spins out of control, leaving drivers shouting, "Oh my God!" as debris flies from the car crash. A reckless maneuver in a car crash sends vehicles scattering, proof that one bad decision can change everything. A chaotic car crash unfolds as drivers misjudge turns, leaving wreckage strewn across the road. A car somersaults multiple times in a jaw-dropping car crash, scattering debris like confetti. A vehicle teeters on the edge, slowly sliding into a ditch. Visibility is key to avoiding these car crashes. Ignoring traffic signals in a rush is a recipe for a car crash. Always prioritize the rules of the road. A quick distraction, like reaching for a water bottle, can spark a car crash in seconds. Stay focused. A yellow car ignores warnings, setting the stage for a preventable car crash. A green car hogs the line, but pedestrians crossing recklessly risk a car crash far worse. Subscribe for more safety tips. A daring move looks perfect until it ends in a car crash. Precision is everything on the road. Rainy, overcast weather demands headlights on to avoid a car crash. Visibility saves lives. Reflecting on past car crashes teaches us to drive smarter and safer every day. A tractor trailer smashes into a highway barrier on Highway 401, sparking a car crash, but thankfully, no serious injuries. In Vietnam, a driver's bad luck leads to a car crash that could have been avoided with better choices. A car crash caught on camera reminds us to stay vigilant. Every second counts on the road. Even smart drivers can make dumb moves, leading to a car crash if they're not careful. A flashy auto luxury car spins out, proving that style doesn't trump safety on the road. A driver uses a blinding flashlight to dodge a police chase, but it only leads to a car crash. Stay safe, not sneaky. Strong teamwork tries to prevent a car crash, but sometimes even the best efforts fall short. A chaotic scene unfolds as drivers struggle to avoid a car crash in a high-stakes moment. A vehicle inexplicably drives backward, triggering a car crash that leaves everyone baffled. Confusion on the road leads to a car crash. Clear communication and awareness are key to safety. Subscribe to learn more. Poor decisions pile up, turning a routine drive into a car crash nightmare. Always stay alert. A car crash unfolds in real time, a stark reminder to respect the road's unpredictability. Every car crash teaches us to drive smarter. Check your surroundings and stay safe out there. That's a wrap on this thrilling ride through car crashes and safety lessons. From luxury cars to epic wrecks, we've covered it all. Subscribe, share your wildest road stories below, and drive safe until next time.